So hi guys, so dahil sobrang init ngayon sa Pilipinas guys, so number 1 yung Masbate sa lakas ng init guys. So yan guys, so tapat to ng tanghali guys, so itatry natin guys magluto guys sa kawali gamit yung sikat ng araw guys. So magluluto tayo ng itlog guys, so mamaya guys tatry natin guys kung talagang napaka-effective talaga guys yung pagluto ng itlog. Ito ayun. So hi guys, so isang oras ko na to guys binabad guys sa sikat ng araw guys. Pwede na! So try natin guys magluto ng itlog guys.
Oh my God! Wow!
So ayan guys, lagyan natin ng mantika guys. Lapit ka. Ayun sa. So ayan guys, oh. Yan. Mainit na to guys, kanina pa to guys.
Hindi totoo yan. Bola lang yan.
So subukan natin guys kung talagang maluluto to guys. Ayan guys, buksan natin guys. So, ayan guys. So, ayan guys, oh. Oh. Yan, naluluto din guys. So guys, sobrang init guys. So, ayan oh, lagyan natin ng magic sarap guys, oh. Oh, yan. So ayan guys, oh, naluto guys, oh.
Oh my God! Wow!
Yan, oh. Yan. So ayan guys, oh. Oh. Yan. Medyo naluto guys. Ayan guys, oh. Oh. Yan, oh, oh, yan guys, oh, naluto guys, oh. Oh, dahil sobrang init guys, naluto guys, oh. Oh, yan. Yan. Lakas ng init guys. Ayan guys, oh. Oh. Luto na ako guys, oh. Video totoo guys. Kunti lang guys. So, and guys, hanggang dito lang guys. Sobrang init guys.